Take two. Oh my God. I have now put the brown. I have now put the brown in my crease. I thought I was filming again. I put the camera on and then I put it off to do something and I came back, sat down and forget I didn't have it on. As I was saying, there are three brands I wanted to try in 2025. And they were Clarity Cosmetics, Dedesignature, and Cosmic Brushes, which is now Cosmic Beauty. And I can say right now, so far, I have tried all three. All three. And they have not disappointed me. I love them. The next video I do, I'm going to use all three palettes, like use a shade from each palette to see. But so far, this brown from Dedesignature blended effortlessly. Effortlessly. I mean, no work needed. No work. Just a brush and the eyeshadow. Gorgeous. Now I blend the brown all the way to the brow bone. Gorgeous color. Gorgeous matte. I'm going to take this brush. I'm going into the purple. There's a purple in there. And it is gorgeous. So I'm going to take the purple and put on my lids. Am I filming? Yes, I am. I am checking. This purple is a very dark purple, true purple. But it is pretty. I know you cannot tell the difference between the purple and the brown, but I plan to use a shimmer. The purple is just the base for the shimmer. The matte is nice and soft and blendable. There is a little bit of kick up in the pan, but nothing that should stop you from using that palette if you have it, or buy it if you want it. This is like so, the matte is so nice. It's almost like a cream, but it's not cream. There is a good thing about this. You see how easy it is to blend? I am not doing much work. I'm just taking the brush, putting it in there, picking up the color, and then just going on my lids and in the crease. And it is doing a fantastic job. Love it. Can you see the difference with the purple and the brown now? It is so pretty. Wow. I am liking this. This is so pretty. I got to try all three of those companies, those brands, in the first half of the year. There is a shimmer in there. Well, there are lots of shimmers in there that I am loving, but I am going to go. Oh, it's hard. It's hard to make a choice, but I am going to go with this one for now. Let's see if I like it. Okay, I think I made a good choice. I'm trying to stay right there. I don't want to go too far in and too far out. Right here on the middle part. This is a beautiful, it is a shimmer. It looks like a glitter, but it's not a glitter. It's a shimmer. It looks like that, but you can smooth it out. Because if I take it like this and I go like this, you see how smooth it is? It is pretty. So I did not use any glitter glue. This is the first time I'm using the palette. I did not use glitter glue. I am just playing with this to see how it applies. And this is gorgeous. A tiny bit of fallout, but that's it. Take a look. Ice Cream Beauty never disappoints with the palettes, and I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. I had it for 6 months. I didn't plan to renew. Then I said, no, I'll just do the year. I am so glad I decided because I'll be kicking myself now because this palette would not be in my hand because I would not be getting any boxes. But I'm glad I stuck with it and it is gorgeous. I will see you soon with the finishing touches. Today's look. My lips is the new palette that I received in my box. And the shade that I use is this one right here. And I pair it with a brown Wet n Wild liner. My blush is this shade right here from Ulta Beauty Trio. It is the Berry Spice Trio. I use this one. My bronzer is MAC. Today's item is I deserve beauty in my life. I deserve beauty in my life. You deserve beauty in your life. Whatever beauty means to you, you deserve it in your life. What's on my eyes? I have 3 shades. I have a brown, I have a purple, and I have a shimmer. And it is from this beautiful palette by Dedesignature. Love this palette. I am going to play with it some more. And here it is. The star of the show is on my eyes. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you every single time you click on my videos. Please watch a playlist. And until I see you, please find beauty within you. Please find beauty within you. You have beauty within you. Seek and find it. See you in the next video. Remember to share it. Bye. Gorgeous palette.